there, it's Hannah with WTI, and I am just completely in love with this beautiful runner.
I love putting a neutral boho rug to just tie a room together. And this one from KIBAGA is absolutely gorgeous. It is 100% cotton, and I think it just looks so good in any room that you put it in. I love the different textures of this rug and the tassels on it. I think it is really just so beautiful. I love how it has this little rainbow and stripe pattern, and I cannot wait to finish my bathroom remodel because I am going to be putting this in front of my new soaker tub. But for now, I have it in my guest room, and I think it really just ties this entire room together. I have mine in the 2x4, and it is the perfect size in front of this queen bed. I really just love everything about this rug.
If you're looking for a nice neutral boho rug to add to somewhere in your home, I think this one is absolutely perfect, and that's my point of view.